Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial from Deep Dive Tutes. And in this tutorial, we are going to look at the custom column names. Um, so by default, Laravel will not work with custom column names. For example, I've got this product and a category model here, and I've got a category has many products relationship and product belongs to category. So I've got this relationship over here, and I've got a column name of PID instead of ID. Laravel looks for a default column name of ID. And similarly, I've got a category ID on products, but I don't have it as category underscore ID. I have it as C underscore ID. So let's check if Laravel is going to get us the relationship and try to get this category over here. So I'm going to go to Tinker and going to fetch this product 21 models product, where PID is 21 and get me the first product, and that returns me the product. Now let me try and get the category ID on it. So product get category, and see over here it returns as null. That's because it's trying to look at a category ID column and it's not finding it. So that's why it returns null, although we have a category ID in here. So let's try and fix that thing first. So on category, we will put a foreign key of CID, and let's try to use the Tinker again. And let's try to get the relationship on the category. And now you see it's getting back the category on the product. Now similarly, let's do the inverse of it. And for products, let's try and see if we are getting the right response. So category app models category, where ID is 1, and get me the first category. It's getting me the category. Now let's try and get the products on it. Category products get. It should return us 2 products, but see over here it's failing, and that's because Laravel is looking for a category ID column which it's not finding. So that's why it's failing. So to fix that, let's go and add the relationship column and tell Laravel that it's not category ID, it is now CID. I'm going to restart Tinker because every time I make a change, I have to restart Tinker. Let's go and get the first category. It's a category. And let's get the products. And now you see we're getting the products back. So you need to tell Laravel that we are using a different ID over here, relationship ID. And that should all work. So it's giving us back the 2 products. So basically what we are doing is fetching a category ID of 1 and telling Laravel to give us the products that belong to category ID 1. So these two products, t-shirt and um, shoes over here. So that's all working. Next, I'm going to show you what happens if you have a different category ID than ID over here. So let's change it in database to CID. And by default, Laravel will look for an ID, so it will throw us errors or it will not return as results. So let's go in the Tinker without making any changes to our model. Let's go in the Tinker. Let's cancel it. Let's try it again. Category ID. In this case, it's going to be CID. And now, once we got the category ID, category details, let's search for the products. And there you see, it's not returning us any product details or products. So we have to change the relationship over here and tell Laravel that we are not using ID anymore for category. We're using CID. Let's try that again. I'm going to restart Tinker. Get the category back and get the products. And there you go. We are getting back the products now. We will do something similar to the products because the products model will not work and get the category. To demonstrate that, I'm just going to get a category. Sorry, get a product of 21. And let's try to get the category on it. And there you go. It's searching for categories underscore ID, which is not there. So let's make that change over here. And tell Laravel that it is not category ID and it is CID. Let's go back to the Tinker and see if the relationship is working. I'll cancel Tinker again, restart it. Going to get the product and then the category. And there you go, we are getting the category back again now. One last thing about this is that you will have to set up a primary key in product and category. Now we have changed our IDs to a different name. Like for categories, we have got a CID, and for products, we have got a PID. So I'm going to say it's protected primary key is PID over here. And in categories, it's going to be CID. So we have to change this because we will be using it in the later tutorials. So that's one thing that you should note. So that's it in this video. In the next video, we are going to see some other relationships. So mainly many-to-many relationship, which is a little complicated than the HasMany and BelongsTo relationship. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.